I'm going to call this floral arrangement Sweet 16 because of the color scheme that I used. Hi guys, today I want to make flower arrangement with pink, white, and this one is like peach with coral. This is geranium, hibiscus, miniature rose, of course, petunias, and this one is hibiscus. Difficult to pronounce. I really want to use this white pot, but I cannot find a bigger size. I got here dirty white one. I'm going to use the small pot. I'm not going to use the white flowers anymore. I found this pot. Maybe this will do. This is the fertilizer I'm using. I'm going to alternate the white, petunia, pink, white, and pink. The geranium and hibiscus thrive in full 2-part sun. The rest of the flowers like full sun in order to have continuous bloom. I love inserting the tags. I'm going to call this floral arrangement Sweet 16 because of the color scheme that I used. In order to enjoy more blooms, remove the spent flowers and dead leaves. For hibiscus, remove the spent flower by cutting at the base of the stem. So here, don't remove the leaf, just trim it here. With regards to geranium, trim it also at the base of the stem of the flower, like here. Remove the yellow leaf. Oops. For the rose, you do not cut the spent flower here above the 3 leaf 1, 2, 3, because if you cut it there, the next flower of this branch will be next year. If you want another flower this year, you cut it above the 5 leaf 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here I found a spent flower here. I checked it earlier. This one, it has 3 leaf, another 3 leaf, and then no more. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trim it at the base there. Whereas the petunias, just remove the spent flower. With this month, I'm gonna use this fertilizer every 10 days. Starting next month, I'm gonna use this bloom booster. Use whatever you like. Your kindness can help me grow my channel. Please subscribe, like, and share my videos. Enjoy the rest of your day.